So could dark matter result in a star that is too small to form a black hole being able to form one? Yeah, most often the cold dark matter model, the answer is actually no, because it doesn't cluster enough. Like the stuff that these guys are talking about, these dark matter dresses, if you've got the black hole that's like this big, then the dark matter dress might be this big. And in fact, actually, I've got their paper there. You can see the sort of example they're talking about is this, where you've got the black hole here, and then you've got this big halo of dark matter around it. And so the amount of mass actually within the black hole here, but the star for your question is actually quite small compared to the total mass of dark matter. So it's not going to make that much of a difference. It'll be some small percent. But in models where dark matter does interact for some reason, or can, for whatever reason, lose some energy and accumulate in the center, it can change the evolution of stars. And in fact, there are people who write papers saying, oh, in this particular modified dark matter model or other type of new physics model where there is some interacting particle that would accumulate at the center of stars, you would get a different stellar evolution. And so either, okay, because we don't observe that, we have constraints on this particular modified model, or in some situations where there's this concept of a mass gap, for example, where astrophysically maybe certain black holes shouldn't be able to form. And then if we observe them, and maybe we observe a few, but then the measurement uncertainties are saying it could still be within or out of the mass gap. But okay, if the measurement uncertainty pushes it into the mass gap, it could be because of exactly that sort of question, that some non-standard dark matter got inside a star. The star therefore didn't follow the normal stellar evolution and was able to form, say, a more massive black hole than we otherwise would expect. So that was a really good question.